Tesla is testing in-car Wi-Fi hotspot connectivity with several major internet providers. What would this mean for me? I guess it would mean better connections for my mobile devices while riding in the car.
Yes.
Which that wouldn't bother me one bit. I could be fine with that.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe
more coverage.
The thing is that the system is like, I rarely use my phone when I'm in there because, and neither do my kids, because they have a screen. They can, in the back seat, you can watch while you're driving. You can just watch Netflix or YouTube on the screen already through the car sound system, and the same on the front when we park. So I actually use my phone less in that car than any other car. But I can see you wanting to make it in an office and get your laptop out, use the hotspot as opposed to having the hotspot off your device.
How's streaming? Like
perfect.
In rural areas? Have you tried?
I haven't been super rural.
Okay.
Although I do like the word and I like the way you say it.
Uh-huh.
You want to give me one more of those?
No, it's fine.
Whoa, whoa.
I'm a subwoofer.
I'll meet you at the whoa. Whoa.
All right, thanks.
See you later at the whoa. It's a word that will kill you and will kill anyone.
The R's. The hard
R's. There's no way around that word.
I hear you.
Like, no one can do it. What is that, a snack?
Mm-hmm.
Is it the strawberry?
Yeah. You want one?
But the thing is, you're pulling it out of a McDonald's bag. It's so confusing.
No, because if I put it here, I don't pay attention and see, this is why. Because Otis gets excited.
He's looking at
I got to keep it so that if he gets involved, I'll hear him.
Oh, yeah.
See? Now, Otis, come on.
He thinks he has the same approach every time. It never works, but he attempts it every time.
He's got to try.
Ears back, like, I'm really nice, aren't I? You want to give me stuff, don't you? You try it every time. Shout out, Vish. I like this, Will. This is fantastic. But here's the thing I don't get is, isn't this... Okay, let's see here. Connectivity has been a flagship feature, yes. Tesla's always offered internet connectivity for free, but as its fleet grew, so did the internet connectivity requirement and cost. Tesla owners have now had to decide if they want to pay $10 per month for the premium connectivity. I guess I'm still on like the new buyer thing.
Oh, okay.
That must be what's going on with me.
Right. Like meaning...
I don't think I'm paying $10 a month. More recently, the automaker launched a software update to allow owners to use their phone's Wi-Fi hotspots while driving as an alternative to LTE connectivity. I don't think I'm doing that yet. Now Tesla's apparently working on another alternative involving using Wi-Fi hotspots from internet providers. Oh, so you got to bring your actual hardware device in there. Is that what they're talking about when they say a Wi-Fi hotspot from another provider? So like I would have a hotspot from AT&T.
I believe so, yes.
And then I would put it in the glove box and that'd be the end of it? No, that's not bad either, I guess. I would prefer not to have to buy another piece of hardware when I've already got connectivity in the car itself. But this is, I guess, has the added flexibility of you being able to take that hotspot with you out of the car and use it in other ways too.
Mm-hmm.
Good point.
It's apparently really popular in Japan. They just bring their home internet. Like it's like a Wi-Fi
hotspot goes everywhere with them.
Interesting.
Hey, listen, I don't mind it. Tesla appears to be working on with several major internet providers in North America, Europe, and Asia to test the feature. Tesla hacker Green confirmed that the feature is the back end of Tesla's software, and the automaker is currently testing it. So I don't know if everybody has this. I'm getting updates on that car like every day. It's practically every day at this point. So I wouldn't doubt a rollout. Oh, other news on my Tesla. I finally hit the button for the full self-driving.
Should have filmed it.
I know.
So you've done it?
It took me way too long to do that.
Well, you were saying like the update was like really long too, right?
It was just no. I could have done it. Shout out me. Shout out Oscar. The guy's name is me, so it sounds like I'm shouting out myself.
People should do that more often.
The button was there. It was just I get in the car. I'm driving the car.
Right. I get it. So you gotta do the update once you get somewhere and make sure it has Wi-Fi, right?
Well, this was not an update. This is a request. There's a single button in the interface
Okay.
that you click to agree. You agree to some lengthy terms. It's like, you
Because they're
might
testing it,
you
right?
might die. You might
It's just a skull emoji. Accept.
Exactly.
Yes or no.
honestly. And then there you go. That's what it looks like. Except, this guy's accepting, I believe, the beta. I have not been approved, I guess, because I just hit the request.
Oh,
I hit the
okay.
request button, and I'm waiting for approval.
right.
But Elon's a big fan of the show, so I think he'll fast track. He knows my VIN number.
Yeah.
So
By heart.
Elon, send me the FSD. I don't know what the Canada situation is though with the FSD either.
Interesting.
But just hit me with it regardless. You know my VIN number. Look up my VIN number, please, and thank you.